What is diabetes? A health condition in which human body is unable to produce sufficient insulin or use it effectively. This leads to persistent, raised glucose levels in the bloodstream. Ills of diabetes. Diabetes is like a termite. It is also known as mother of all diseases. It gives birth to so many other ailments such as heart disease, nerve damage, kidney problems, diabetic foot, eye diseases, high blood pressure, anxiety and stress, etc. Diabetes spread. According to International Diabetes Federation Atlas 2021, every 10th adult human being on Earth is diabetic. Diabetes caused at least $966 billion in health expenditure. Forced perception. Medical science and big pharma companies aggressively build the misperception that diabetes is an irreversible disease and patients have to take medicines for the rest of their lives. Problems with frontline medicines. These frontline medicine are designed to only control the diabetes. These are not developed to permanently cure or reverse the diabetes. Patients have to keep taking these medicines and drugs throughout their life.